Hi everyone, welcome to Stamping with Ian. Thank you for joining me today. Goodies, new goodies in fact. I did a little order from Stamping Up. Christmas things, you know, we are in Christmas mode now for card making. I've done a couple of videos already, mainly assembly line crafting. These sets will be more of the same, and you'll see those videos in the near future. So first a bundle, and this is the Peaceful Deer bundle. Get a big hefty punch with it. Is that recyclable? Yep, that can go in the recycling. So there's the punch. So the deer and a couple of antlers as well. Yep, works a treat, as they always do. This is the stamp set. It's our photopolymer, far better than some of the cheaper silicons that you get. Two ways to use the punch there. One, you can a plain one, and one with some writing on. Oh what fun, I think it says. Even with reading glasses I can't quite make that out. Sending love and peace this season, best time of the year, Merry Christmas. Got some trees, and yeah, I don't know what the rabbit's doing there. Are rabbits involved in Christmas? Never mind. So there's the Stampin' Up are now doing this, so you can take your stamps off this sheet and actually put them on the case. I tend to just leave them as they are, you know. Right, second thing is another bundle, put my teeth back in, and this is Whimsical Trees. This is our cling stamp set, so it's our beautiful red rubber, as you can see. Beautiful. I'll just put those down there. I don't wrong way around. There we go. I don't put the stickers on. I find it too much of a faff, so I don't tend to bother, you know. But I'll leave them in the set so they're there, you know. Next person who owns the set when I sell it, if they want to put them on, they're still there. So trees, ornaments, I'm guessing you could use that as lights. May the love of the season warm your home and fill your heart. Isn't that lovely? Let your heart be light. I love that. That is gorgeous. With it is a set of dies. These are the Christmas trees dies. Just open them up for you. And I'm guessing these dies will cut out most of those by the looks of it. So lovely, love. I've already got some ideas for this set. In fact, I'm going to be casing one of my favourite demonstrators, Tricia Smith of Smith's Crafty Creations. Go and pay her a visit. I'll leave her YouTube channel in the description box below. I can't get them in. Oh dear, what am I like? Just take me out behind the woodshed. Our American friends know what that means, I think. What else did I get? I got this. This actually goes with another suite, but it goes really well with the Peaceful Deer as well. And it's called the Peaceful Place 12x12 Speciality Designer Series Paper. Speciality normally means it's shiny in some way. Shall we have a look? It is shiny, look at that. little shining stars. So how many sheets do you get? One. Do you get 2 of each? Yeah, you get 2 of each. So that's the reverse of that one. That's the reverse of that one. Shiny trees. There you go, can you see that? Shiny stars on that one. On the reverse, a lovely check pattern. Plaid pattern, isn't it? I like these because it's very muted. I'll check the label in a minute and tell you what colours are involved. That's beautiful. Oops, right way around. Oops. More shininess. I hope I've been shot when I'm doing this, you know. Oh dear me. Here we go. And the reverse. Right, colours. The matching colours are basic black, basic grey and smoky slate. Now then, because I spent £90, I qualified for a couple of celebration freebies. Celebration's finished now, finished on the 30th of September. So these products have actually already retired, but that doesn't matter because I've got plans for them. This, the bedazzled 6x6 speciality paper. I'm so glad I didn't miss out on this. I know some of our other markets it went very quickly, but here in Europe, look at that. Is that not just divine? That's beautiful, isn't it? And you get, how many sheets do you get? 8. So that's that. I'll just leave that there. And the other freebie I got, beautifully penned designer series paper. This is the kind of I think this is the black and white version of the hand pen petals. But what I can do with this is I can colour it and I can use it in my journal making. You know, I can sponge it. So, let's have a look. What's the colours? Oh, colour, basic black is the coordinating colour. So let me put this further there. So that's sheets 1 and 2. Oh, now you get, oh, how many sheets do you get? Do you get 4 sheets? You get 4 sheets and 3 designs, I'm guessing then. So that's 2 designs, no, 6 designs. There we go. Oh, lovely. And spotty one, that will be the last design. And a lovely kind of watercolour effect there. So there we go. A little crafty haul for me. Christmas card making will be in full force this week. Watch out for the videos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Whatever you're doing today, I hope you have a lovely time. And I'll see you again soon. Bye now.